Let's do some white powder on top. Oh, that's pretty. Let me throw in a little bit of dish soap in here. Thank you. I hope you enjoy your squeezes. And here we go. No paso there. $10 for what? Oh, for the 5. Oh, for the Dawn dish soap and the other blue palm olive. I only have 2 dish soaps available. I know, right? And it smells so amazing. Welcome in. To all my mods, thank you, Foca. I'm so happy you made it. No liquids. My liquids are sold out. That's the Ajax. And let's add the last bag. I'm gonna save this for the rinse. We're gonna take it to the sink, so we can put that in the sink. And let's add all the aroma. That would be nice. The powder with the dish soap. And the last sponge. Hand mix. Should I hand mix? Oh, this smells so good. I'm really gonna miss my pool and my sink when I leave for vacation. Do a whoosh thing. The whoosh thing. Yeah, I am gonna have to do it. I'm gonna take out all the sponges and thank you so much. Good, and then I forgot about it. And I haven't posted in a long time. I think the last video was in, I can't remember, but it was around that time. Yes, did you miss the beginning? We were using ice. Thank you. Okay, sold that completely. Thank you, Liz. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you watched the when I started, because when I started, it was so pretty. It was very pretty. I know. I am gonna post it. Trust me. Now you guys can go watch and you guys can go back and watch it. Is for the dish soap. So let's do some dish soap on some blue, because that's all I have left. It was only the dish soap. Thank you. Oh yeah, that is very blue. do the snowflake. Ooh. And the blue palm olive. Thank you, Liz. That was so much. We are completely sold out. Come tap the screen for me, Mommy. Take that off. Okay. That was amazing. Okay, who's ready for that? Hold on, let me see if I can get more dish soap out. Maybe we can do one more. Oh, yes. And then the other dish soap, the one I have for the sink, we'll use that one for the sink, for the suds. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Liz. Oh, that was pretty. My sponge ripped. Well, that ripped fast. That's the first time I use it.